spreading the word about testicular cancer in the southwest is, you know, something that's really important for us to do, and the visibility of the sponsor on our shirts will hopefully get that message across. Not only do these shirts look great, but they spread awareness for testicular cancer, so it's only a good thing. 96% of testicular cancers are treatable if caught early, so it's important, check your balls.
Hi, Sue Brown here from It's in the Bag, and today we are at Park School in Barnstaple with North Devon Hockey Club. And we are talking about It's in the Bag and the support that we're giving to the club. So we've been supporting the men's club for quite some time, and they joined forces with the women's team and the juniors this year, and so we decided it would be a good idea to support their kit.
I'm Ash, I'm the chairman at North Devon Hockey Club. Just wanted to say how delighted we are to continue support and sponsorship from It's in the Bag. Certainly we since merging last year, there's no way that we would have been able to have brand new kits without passing those fees on to the players, so that's fantastic. And also it's just great for us to be able to support the charity and to keep promoting what they do, as well as we're playing hockey all across the southwest.
When detected early, testicular cancer is 96% curable. Spreading the word to the men in our lives is vital, and that's why we've teamed up with It's in the Bag. Not only do they make our kit look great on the pitch, we're spreading awareness off the pitch.